Hello and welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. Let's discuss Hiroshima Day today. On August 6, 1945, the US dropped a nuclear bomb on Hiroshima in Japan, killing 140,000 people. Hiroshima Day is observed to promote peace, politics, and raise awareness of the effects of the bomb attack on Hiroshima. Today is the 76th anniversary of the atomic bombing of the Japanese city. Following this attack, Japan surrendered to the Allies, ending World War II. The blast killed nearly 80,000 people with massive infrastructural damage. 4 years later, in 1949, the Soviet Union tested its first nuclear bomb. Later, it was followed by UK, France, and China. This day plays a significant role as it focuses on anti-war and anti-nuclear demonstrations in many countries. Now let's talk about the efforts taken. Non-Proliferation Treaty aims to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and weapons technology. The International Atomic Energy Agency inspects the countries for compliance with the NPT. Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty aims to prevent countries from conducting any nuclear tests or explosion. Thank you so much for watching.